Welcome to Advanced Tech Solution channel. Before start my video, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to block Google Chrome notification. So when you open Google Chrome browser, you will get lots of notification here. So this is so much annoying. So how to block it? So for doing that, you have to go to setting option. If you scroll down a little bit, you can find here advanced setting. So under the advanced setting option, you can find here site setting. Go to site setting. In that site setting, you will find the notification. So click on it. Here you can add individual site to block it. You can allow individual site to allow it. If you want to block all of those notifications, just disable the option. When you disable the option, the notification will be blocked and you didn't get any kind of notification from Chrome browser. So thanks for watching my video.